Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we are literally going to be cleaning the fungus off of Project Fungus. And if you guys didn't see my video where I introduced Project Fungus, the reason it got its name is literally there is spots of fungus on the carpet in here. So we are going to be removing the hard top here. We're going to unbolt that, take it off. We're going to be taking the boots off the shift levers there, removing the seats and pulling that nasty carpet out, giving this thing a thorough power washing. And my buddy Jason's going to be stopping by in a bit, helping me tear into this thing so we can get it all cleaned up. Yeah, this thing is really nasty, borderline unsanitary. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit more than that to help this thing. Hey, look who showed up.
Today's Jeep Wash, brought to you by...
Bring in the heavy artillery here.
Oh, I can smell it from here.
That was all the change I was finding inside of it.
I really like this thing. Alright, we gotta get past this.
Alright.
Action. Time on! There are a lot of random wires just kind of running, although that's probably speaker wire. Here, hand me the screwdriver.
Okay, there you go. Got the seats out. They came out fairly easy. 2 bolts on the top, 2 on the bottom. One of these seat belts had to come out just the way the carpet was in there. Now we're going to take the boots off the shift levers and pull the carpet.
Looks like a little carpet thing. My carpet's attached.
That's gross. I was like holding my breath.
Oh, that's awesome. Speakers are just stuck here under it. This is pretty funny. The speaker installation just is shoved under the carpet. There it is. No idea this thing was here until right now. These are like, it's like, you know, where you attach the locks to the garbage.
Yeah, I'll give it a quick vacuum too. So I think the speaker wire, I mean, you can just get rid of that thing. Radio, so yeah, if it, because I'm going to trash this radio, so if it goes to the radio, and it's speaker wire, you can cut it. If it's power wire, I want to keep it because I want to know where the power was going. You know what I mean? So like these guys are obviously speakers, so you can just cut them. And this is speaker. What is this? Looks like it goes in the floorboard. You guys got any idea what this red wire is that's going in the floorboard right here? So I got a question for you guys. Got this red wire right here. It goes in the passenger side floorboard. The heck is that for? Comes out right down here. It must be this one. Not sure what that's about. Well, the carpets and everything actually turned out pretty good, cleaned up pretty nice, but honestly, I think I'm gonna order a new set. I'm gonna use this in my other Project 92 YJ, and I actually hit it with a little bit of dye, a little bit of fabric dye, because it was just kind of gray, purple looking, and it helped a little bit, but it's not perfect. And the interior of the Jeep cleaned up much better, so that's looking pretty nice now. So I've got to wait for that new set of carpet to come in. So in the meantime, check out my next video up here. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day. First try.